Good day everyone. So today I got Galaxy Note 10 Plus exynos chipset model and the latest the LineageOS 22.1 having Android 15 got released for the exynos Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And today I'm going to flash the Lineage latest 22.1 ROM on the mobile phone. AOSP ROM is faster than One UI. If you want to try this latest version Android 15 AOSP ROM on your mobile phone, then you need to unlock the bootloader of your mobile phone and then you can follow the further video steps to get the ROM. Now, first of all, we need to save all the internal storage data. And remember to unlock the bootloader first, right? After saving the data, then you need to check the mobile phone battery. It is supposed to be charged and you need to select swipe to turn off the screen lock. In case if you are using One UI and using the Samsung account, then go to manage accounts and sync your Google account once, remove it to avoid any issues later on, and same way sync your Samsung account, must remove it to avoid any issues during flashing the custom recovery. The mobile phone is supposed to be updated to the stock Android 12 One UI firmware, right? Doesn't matter if you are having any custom ROM, but your mobile phone once updated to the Android 12 stock One UI firmware, then you can flash the Lineage 22.1 ROM on your mobile phone. Well, if you have done all these things, simply power off the mobile phone. Will move towards my computer screen. These are the files that I have downloaded already on my downloaded folder from the internet. This is the Lineage 22.1 official ROM for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Right now, currently I have 31st December 2024. But if you go to the official website, download the latest one, whatever the latest version release, right? And we have to download the mind the gaps because this ROM is not coming with the gaps. So we have to flash the gaps separately. Odin, platform tools, recovery image, and vbmeta. These two files are also provided with the official website of the Lineage ROM along with the ROM, right? And then extract the platform tool first, copy the ROM file, mind the gaps file, and the recovery vbmeta. Copy these four files from the downloaded folder, open the extracted folder of the platform tools, paste all the files over here. When done, then rename the ROM file to make the things easy. Erase the file name, do not erase the extension. Give the name ROM. The file is supposed to be rom.zip, press enter key. Now, same way, go to the mind the gaps file, select it, press F2, erase the file name, give a name GAPPS .zip, enter key. This will make the things easy during flashing. Now, right click on the CMD, left click on the run as administrator, click yes on next window, command window will open. Now we have to convert the recovery vbmeta.img and recovery.img into tar format. So we can flash this tar files from the Odin, right? I have provided commands in my video description. First, copy the converting tar command from the description. Then come to the command window, press Ctrl V, done. Now go back to description, copy the command to convert the recovery file. Come to the command window, press Ctrl V, done. CLS to clear the command window screen. We'll minimize the command window. Then we'll go back to my extracted folder and I got two files, recovery.tar and vbmeta.tar. Select both these two files and cut it from here. Then go back to main downloaded folder and paste both files over here. Done. Now extract the Odin. Open the extracted folder Odin. Double click the Odin file. Click OK and then Odin. Click any slot. I will go for AP. Then I will go to my downloaded folder and I will select the recovery.tar first by double clicking on it. Then I will click CP. We'll go back. Then double clicking the vbmeta.tar to select it. And things so far going good. Welcome to my mobile phone. The mobile phone is supposed to be power off. We have to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Now you need to check the data cable. Other side of the data cable must be connected with computer and use a good quality of data cable. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. Right? Press it, hold it and properly. Then connect the cable with the mobile phone. The phone will boot into warning screen. Release both keys and then press the volume up key once to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Now the Odin screen is supposed to be like the current binary. Currently my mobile phone was having a custom ROM, that is why it is showing custom. In case if your mobile phone is having on stock firmware, it will show official, right? I will press the volume up key to light up the screen. Then the KG state must show checking and FRP lock must show off. OEM lock must show off in a brackets U, which means bootloader is already unlocked. Now the phone is connected with the computer, booted already in Odin mode. Coming back towards the computer screen, I will go to options on the Odin. I will untick auto reboot, then we'll go back to log and then we'll click start to start flashing the recovery. Definitely you will see pass when things done. Exit the Odin, go back to downloaded folder, open the extracted folder of the platform tools and bring back the command window. Now, the mobile phone still booted into Odin mode. We have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery from the Odin mode. The procedure is to press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, and power key. Press it and hold it properly, right? Volume down up key, volume down key, and power key. When mobile phone restart, release the volume down key first. Okay, then when mobile phone vibrates or logo appears, then release the power key. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4 and release the volume up key. The mobile phone will boot into recovery very soon. I got the Lineage recovery on my mobile phone. First tap factory reset, then tap format data factory reset, then tap format data. Done. Tap format system partition. Yes. If you see failed, repeat the procedure once again. Yes. Okay, again it's showing failed. Doesn't matter. Go back to the main screen. Tap apply update. Tap apply from ADB. Phone is booted into ADB mode. Coming back towards the computer screen. The command window is already on my computer screen. Type the command to start flashing the ROM file. ADB space sideload space rom.zip, press enter key. You can see that the file transferring is started and the ROM will get flash also. Now we have to wait. Flashing got completed. Definitely you will see install completed with status 0. Now we have to flash the gaps file, but before we have to reboot the recovery. So on the recovery screen, tap advanced, then tap reboot to recovery. Let the mobile phone boot into recovery once again. Recovery came once again. Now tap again, apply update, apply from ADB. We'll go back to my computer screen. On the command window, type the command ATP space sideload space GAPPS.zip. Press enter key. Now wait. Let the flashing complete, then we will continue. And the recovery will show signature verification failed. Doesn't matter. Tap yes to install anyway. And when done, definitely you will see once again install completed with status 0. Simply tap reboot system now, and you can disconnect the cable from the mobile phone when you see Samsung logo. And now wait, mobile phone will start booting to the official LineageOS 22.1 ROM, and the first boot will not take that much time. We are done from the computer. You can close the command window and you can go back. You can delete the extracted folders now. It was very fast. First boot completed. Complete the setup screen now. And here we have to put a tick sign in case if we want to stick with the Lineage OS ROM. So the Lineage recovery will also get updated alongside with the OTA update. Things turn very smoothly. We'll go to menu. I can see that Play Store over here. I can simply connect the internet and straightly logging in my Gmail account, downloading the application straight away from the Play Store. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to about phone and Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We'll go to tap the Android 15. This is the Android 15 Lineage 22.1, and the Android security update is 5th December 2024 currently. Baseband version is provided and build date, build number. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now, in case if you want to make the device certified, so you need to root the ROM. And if you want to watch the video how to root the Lineage 22.1, I will provide video link in my video description, right? We'll see you again in my next video. Until then, goodbye.